Pistol malfunctions. Two of the common types you might see or may have already seen are stovepipe or the double feed. What I'm going to do is go over the ways I was taught how to clear these. Certainly it's not the only way. If you've got another method, feel free to share it, because I'm always looking for new techniques, tips, and tricks. All the ammunition that I'm using is dummy. It's marked by the, looks like some kind of orange plastic tip. Pretty easy to identify. It's good to work with when you're doing training, or if you want to practice inside your home where you don't want to be putting any holes in anything that doesn't need it. First of all, we'll go over the stovepipe. You can see how it gets its name. Out there firing, and then you get a round or casing that won't eject. So the way I was taught is take the gun, hit the magazine, and however you want to do it, whether you want to use an overhand grip or a slingshot grip, to try to get that slide clear of that casing. So tap, rack, ready. And then you can see you've got that next round in the chamber. The double feed. You've got a casing that's still in the chamber, has not ejected. You've got your next round trying to feed up out of the magazine. So what you want to do is get this case clear, lock the slide, drop the magazine. Won't drop freely. Pull, close up, get that case out of there, put the new magazine in, ready to go. We'll go through that one a little faster. So you've got your double feed, lock the slide, mag won't drop. Get that case out of there, new magazine in, ready to go. Hey, I appreciate everybody watching. Hope this helps. If you have any tips, feel free to pass them on. I love learning new things.